Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you see who viewed your profile without premium on LinkedIn. Yes, you can see who viewed your profile on LinkedIn for free, but it is limited to 5 most recent visitors from the last 90 days. What you need is here, you just want to open your LinkedIn app onto your device. There, you want to tap on the profile at the very top right corner or left corner of the screen. You need to go ahead and select profile picture. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select that. Or you just want to make sure to go ahead and select settings and go to the profile picture. You will be able to find the visibility options. You could simply go ahead and look for activities, and there you will be able to find your and just want to make sure to scroll to analytic and see profile view, and this way you're supposed to see who has viewed your profile without premium. So you're only limited, and that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.